Welcome back, friends. Yesterday we solved some word problem of chapter number 2. Okay, word problem માં તમને એવું થાય કે સમજ નથી પડતી, but word problem તમને practice થી જ આવડશે. Okay, you have to do practice for word problem and then you get a grip in that. Okay, first of all try to solve one or more example of same time, then find out some more example and try to solve that. If you have query, then again you can ask me. Okay, now today we will start solving the more equations. Okay, so here example 16 is given. Solve 6x plus 1 by 3 plus 1 is equal to x minus 3 divide 6. So how can we solve this equation? First of all, we need to solve left hand side and right hand side. Right hand side denominator is whole in a divide 6, so no need to solve this, but here 1 is only there. So first of all we make here denominator 3 by taking the LCM. So what is the LCM of 3 and here 1? It is 3. If you write 1 here, then it is also correct. So LCM of 3 and 1 is 3. First of all make both sides simple form. બંને સાઈડમાં જે પણ ઇક્વેશન હોય એને સિમ્પલ ફોર્મમાં કન્વર્ટ કરવાની. If you convert this into simple form, then what you have to do? Move the variable on one side and numbers on one side. So how? Here LCM is 3, so 1 is multiplied with 3 in a numerator and 3 in a denominator. So we will get 6x plus 1 by 3 plus 3 by 3 is equal to x minus 3 divide 6. Now here denominator is 3, so we can write 6x plus 1 plus 3 whole divide 3 is equal to x minus 3 divide 6. Okay, now it is 6x plus 4 divide 3 is equal to x minus 3 divide 6. Now what you have to do? Here 6 in a denominator become multiplication on left side and 3 in a denominator become multiplication on right side. So here 6 is in multiply, so 6x plus 4, 3 is in multiply, x minus 3. Now open the bracket, 36x, 6 4s are 24 is equal to 3 is multiplied into bracket, that is 3x, and 3 is multiplied with 3 minus 9. Now 3x, move the variable on one side and number on one side. So 36x minus 3x is equal to minus 9 minus 24. 24 is positive become minus 24 and 3 is positive become minus 3x. 36 minus 3x is 33x and 9 minus 9 minus 24 means addition of number, that is minus 33. Now 33 will be in a divide, so x is equal to minus 33 divide 33 is equal to minus 1. If you want to check your answer, then you can apply the previous method, write the value of minus 1 into right hand side and left hand side. If both answer are correct, then your answer is correct. જે આપણે previous first example માં કર્યું હતું કે જે પણ આન્સર આવે એ ઇક્વેશન માં મૂકી જોવાનું. જો બંને સાઈડ સેમ આવતી હોય તો આન્સર કરેક્ટ. You can check your answer with that method also. Now example 17 that is given in your textbook. Solve 5x minus 2 into bracket 2x minus 7 is equal to 2 into bracket 3x minus 1 plus 7 by 2. Now whenever there is a bracket, first solve the bracket, first open the bracket. But you can see here the negative sign is there. Means minus 2 is multiplied with whole bracket. જ્યારે પણ બાર માઇનસ સાઇન હોય, નંબર માઇનસ સાઇન થી હોય, ત્યારે બ્રેકેટ ઓપન કરો એટલે બ્રેકેટની અંદરની બધી સાઇન ચેન્જ થશે. Clear? So here first of all we open this bracket. 5x minus 2 is multiplied with 2x, so it is minus 4x, and minus 2 is multiplied with minus 7, it is plus 14. Okay, minus 2 into minus 7 is plus 14. You can see this is plus become minus and minus become plus. Same Here 2 is positive, so 2 is multiplied with 3x, that is 6x. 2 is multiplied with minus 1, 2 plus 7 by 2. Okay. Now 5x minus 4x is x plus 40 is equal to 6x. Now what we have to do here, we take the LCM. 7 by 2 is there, means we need to 2 here, and 6x need a denominator 2. So how can we get denominator 2 here? By taking the LCM. LCM is 12, so we can write LCM is 2, so 6x is multiplied with 2 in a numerator and 2 in a denominator. 2 is multiplied with 2, divide by 2, 7 by 2 as it is, because already denominator is 2. Now here x plus 14 as it is, 12x by 2 minus 4 by 2 plus 7 by 2. Clear? Now x plus 14 is equal to 12x. Minus 4 plus 7. Now you can do the subtraction of numerator because denominator is same. So minus 4 plus 7 is plus 3. Whole divide by 2. Again, here the denominator is 1 and here denominator is 2. So 2 is multiplied with x plus 14. Open the bracket, that is 2x plus 28 is equal to 12x plus 3. Now 2x will be on this side minus 2x and 3 will be on this side minus 3. So 28 minus 3 is equal to 12x minus 2x. That is 25 is equal to 10x. Now x 10 in a divide, so it becomes 25 by 10. You can cut the common factor, 5 5s are 25 and 5 2s are 10. So it is 5 by 2. Again you can check your answer by writing value of x is equal to 5 by 2 into the equation. આ equation માં x ની જગ્યાએ પહેલા લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ માં 5 by 2 મૂકવાના, પછી રાઈટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ માં 5 by મૂકવાના. જો બંને આન્સર સેમ આવે then your answer is correct. So using the same that we learned earlier two example, we will solve exercise 2.5. So here first example is x by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. Now what you have to do first, take the LCM and make the denominator same on one side and on right hand side also. So on left side what will be the LCM of 2 and 5? That is 10. And on right hand side what will be LCM? LCM will be 12. So here to get 10 here we need to multiply x by 2 with 5. And here 1 by 5 multiply with 2 to get denominator 10. Same x by 3 multiply with 4 and 1 by 4 multiply with 3 in a numerator and denominator. So we will get 5x by 10 minus 2 by 10 is equal to 4x by 12 plus 3 by 12. Okay, now you can write 5x minus 2 whole divide 10 is equal to 4x plus 3 whole divide 12. Now 12, here you need to apply a cross multiplication. 12 is multiplied with 5x minus 2 and 10 is multiplied with 4x plus 3. So here 12. This is called cross multiplication. Okay. Now open the bracket. It is 60x minus 24 is equal to 40x plus 30. 10 is multiplied with 4x, that is 40x, and 10 is multiplied with 3, that is 30. Now variable on one side, plus 40x become minus 40x and 24 become plus 24. So you will get 20x is equal to 54. So x is equal to 54 by 20. Here you can cut the common factor. So answer is 27 by 10. Okay. Now same question number 2. N by 2 minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 is equal to 21. Now you can see here the denominator is 2, here denominator is 4 and here denominator is 6. So what you have to do first, take the LCM of 2, 4 and 6. LCM will be 12. So 2 is multiplied with 6 to get 12 here. Same in a numerator. 4 is multiplied with 3. Same in a numerator. And 5n by 6 multiplied with 2. 21 as it is. Now it is 6n by 12 minus 9n by 12 plus 10n by 12 is equal to 21. If you solve this, you will get 7n by 12. 6n minus 9n is minus 3n. Minus 3n plus 10n is 7n. Divided by 12 is equal to 21. Now you can see 7 is in multiplication. We need to find n. So n remain as it is. 7 in a multiplication become division and 12 in a division become multiplication. So you will get n will be 36. Clear? Now next. X plus 7 minus 8x by 3 is equal to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2. Same, make the denominator same on both sides. Left hand side will be 3 and on right hand side denominator is 6. How? Because LCM of 6 and 2 will be 6. LCM of 3 is 3. So here x is multiplied with 3 in a numerator and 3 in a denominator. 7 is multiplied with 3. 5x by 2 will be multiplied with 3 by 3 because we need denominator 6 here. Now now you can see here it is 3x and minus 8x will be minus 5x. 21 by 3 as it is. Minus 5 by 5x by 3. Here you need to apply the subtraction of like terms. So x and x are like terms. So 3 minus 8 will be minus 5x. 21 by 3 as it is equal to 17 by 6 minus 15x by 6. Here you can write 21 minus 5x whole divide 3 is equal to 17 minus 15x whole divide 6. 6 will be on multiplication on this side. Will be multiplication on right side because cross multiplication. So open the bracket. 126 minus 30x is equal to 51 minus 45. 3 is multiplied with both number into the bracket. Now number on one side and variable on one side. So 50 minus 45 become plus 45 and plus 126 become minus 126. So 45x that is minus become plus 51 minus 126. Now subtraction. Minus 75. 15 will be in a divide, so you will get minus 75 divide 15. So x is minus 5. If you cut the common factor of 15, 5 is 75. So answer will be minus 5 because there is negative sign with the 75. Why? Because 51 minus 126. 126 is the larger number. So sign of 126 is negative. So answer contain negative sign. Now question. Example 4. X minus 5 by 3 is equal to x minus 3 by 5. Here denominator is 3 that is in whole divide and 5 will be is in on whole divide, so no need to take LCM. Direct you can apply cross multiplication. So 5 is multiplied with x minus 5 and 3 is multiplied with x minus 3. Open the bracket, that is 5x minus 25 is equal to 3x minus 9. Now 3x on left side become minus 3x and 25 become plus 25. So that is 2x is equal to minus 9 plus 25 is 16. Now 2 in a divide because 2 is in a multiplication. So on right side become division. X is equal to 8.